Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add a user to the sudo group in Ubuntu. Click Activities, type Terminal. Click Terminal. Type sudo space. Add user space. Your username. Type sudo password. Type new password. Press Enter key to default settings. Type Y to continue. Type sudo space. User mod space. -ag space. Sudo space. Your username. Your username is successfully added to sudo group. So space minus space your username. Type sudo password. Successful switch to newly created user. Type sudo space who am I. Type password for newly created user account. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.